All right, guys, I'm Dominic Izzo. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to help you decide whether or not network marketing is for you by explaining exactly what the industry is in those next 5 minutes. This is simply it. It's not meant to be a confusing system at all. And it's usually sold on dreams and it's sold on hype and emotionalism. But when you understand exactly what the business is and then how to make money, it's a slow process to making an extraordinary amount of money if you do wind up sticking with it. It's just being consistent. Here's what network marketing is within 30 seconds. Network marketing is you deciding to get involved with a company, getting on their product or their service every single month, and at the end of the year, counterbalancing that by leveraging the tax laws. That's all network marketing is. Again, I'm going to explain it. It's you deciding to get involved with a company. You purchase their product every single month, and at the end of the year, you leverage those tax laws to offset the overhead or the cost of what you spent every single month on their product or service. For the company itself, for the company, network marketing is brilliant because they save money on the back end by instead of spending hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars a year up front on advertising their product to get a return on investment that's usually around 1 to 3%. What they do is they leverage the people who get involved with it, and they wind up getting 100% return on their investment because there was nothing put up front. Everything they bring in is pure profit. It's a brilliant business model. Let's flip the switch really fast from looking at a consumer mindset into a business owner, because the two top complaints for network marketers failure and why people cannot make money is they don't see this, or they don't comprehend, why do I have to spend money every month? And then I'm not a recruiter, I'm not a salesperson. Number one, the arrows are in red and some are in green because you have to look at how you make money. Number one, you are spending money as a consumer, or you're investing money as a business owner into a company. It's just however you choose to look at it. We're going to look at this as a business owner. Instead of spending money on product every month, that money is an investment for your business overhead. Just like if you had a brick and mortar and you had to pay the light bill every month, the rent every month, water bill every month, your insurance every month, and it's monthly. And at the end of the year, just like a brick and mortar business owner, you're leveraging those tax laws to offset the cost of this. How you make money every single month is you franchise every single month. You do one franchise every month, or you do 30 franchises every month. It's completely up to the work ethic and work effort you put into it. The franchise is going to offset the cost, and you're going to wind up be profiting from it. That's the bonus. The franchise is the person. Now, that's all network marketing is. That's all it is you invest in a company, you wind up using the overhead, purchasing their product every single month, and then you write the end of the year off taxes. And then every single person you bring in is a franchise that offsets the cost, and then you start to make money. That's network marketing in under 5 minutes. But here's the crucial part of it, and this is why there's such a high failure rate, is what's truly not taught is the skill sets in franchising. You have to provide value. You 100% do. We talk about the 3 C's in the way we wind up presenting value. That's on commerce, cash flow, and culture. It's always, if you just provide value in product, you're going to limit it there. But if you're going to be opening up a franchise with people, you have to list all the features and benefits and the value of why they're getting involved in the first place. So if your upline or people you are trying to recruit don't discuss this with you, you need to find somebody who will. It's as simple as that. Network marketing, when you develop those skill sets on how to market, how to advertise, how to pitch, how to close, how to overcome objections, how to talk to people, how to talk to your warm market, your cold market, how to attract people in, all of that, when you wind up having that skill set down, this just becomes a repeatable pattern every single month. Every month you're in a business because you're getting their product, because you're a franchise owner of the company, and you know that at the end of the year you're going to leverage those tax laws, and that money you spent on that product is going to be offset. So you basically got a product for free for the entire year, and then you're going to be cultivating franchisees by growing as yourself in this business. This business is extremely simple. It is the simplest business model in capitalism there is today, but it's difficult because you're not trained in the proper skill sets to repeat this. I'm Dominic Izzo. I am the bull of network marketing. I'm with MCE Stewardship. Contact me. Give me an opportunity to wind up pitching you on our company, our business, our model, our training style, and see if we'd be a fit for you. This was network marketing and explained in under 5 minutes. I hope you guys have a great day.